Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? Okay, so as you can tell from my voice, I'm still a little bit sick, and as you can tell from the state that my hair is in, I didn't choose to get too pretty for this video, because I just got too excited, and I just wanted to go, like, straight into. Alright, y'all. Just you wait till you see what I'm about to pull out. As y'all have seen in my birthday haul, my amazing boyfriend got me the rainbow high color change car. I'm so excited to open this. It's been kind of hanging around in the corner of my room for a while. I don't know, I think it's just that I was like so overwhelmed by this that like I didn't know when to go for it. So now we're gonna go for it. All right, let's just get straight into it, everyone. Here's the color change card. This is what the box looks like. On the bottom, you can see all of the different colors that the car can change into. It's called 8-in-1 because it's technically 8 different cars at once, with the color change feature. Here we have an amazing illustration of beautiful Avery driving the car with Crystal Bailey in the passenger seat. And then on the side here, you can see everything that is included in the box here, and all you can see is really the car. It looks like just the car comes in. I'm kind of nervous that it will need batteries. It doesn't say it came with batteries, so I have a feeling that I might need to make this video go for a little longer, if you know what I mean. I need to go over several days to complete this video, which is totally okay. I just want to show this to you guys. I just want you guys to see my reactions while I do this. So this is what it looks like on the one side, and it actually looks exactly the same on the other side. On the other edge of the box here, you can see the car using its color change features. You can see that the wheel turns. You can see that the lights in the back seem to light up or something, and you can press the front of the hood for color change. Okay, and on the top and the bottom is just the normal legal stuff. All right, so that is basically everything that's the box. It's not anything too crazy because what is most important is what is inside. I'm gonna open this guy up real quick. I'm gonna take a closer look at everything that this car comes with. Okay. So I'm literally trying to open this box, and it full on is just the car. I don't even know if there's gonna be any assembly required here. Plastic piece number 1, and then it looks like there's just one on the other side, and then we have the car. Oh my god. Okay. All right, so I just got everything out of the box here. The only things that it really came with was this car, the little windshield, and a little instruction booklet. I don't know how important this is. Don't know if we have batteries in here. That's the thing. I'm gonna try to assemble this. Oh, I wonder if it'll tell me here. It doesn't say. I think we're just going to wing it and see if it works. I feel like I should hear a click. Oh, okay. Okay, is that in? Okay, I guess that's in. So we have the car. The next thing it's saying is to move the switch to, because there's like a little switch underneath the car, and we just need to switch it from the 0 to the 1. And press the bottom, press the button located on the top of the car to illuminate the car. Continue pressing the button to cycle through the colors. Okay, let's see if this works. I need batteries. I'm gonna go take a look around to see if I have any batteries for this, and then we'll come back to it in more detail. Okay, so I found some AA batteries that are supposed to work with the car. I have my little screwdriver here. I'm gonna switch this to off for now. How does this work? Lefty. Oh, it's too small. Why did I think this was gonna work? All right, so got a screwdriver. Hopefully we can get this working today. Was it lefty loosey or righty tighty? Oh, okay. I got it. Don't worry, guys. I got it. Wow, this is the most uncomfortable screwdriver I've ever used. Okay. It's open. And then we're gonna put in 3 AA batteries, and I'm gonna close it up. You guys, I'm so excited. Like, this was one of my, like, biggest wants for my birthday, and it was delivered. Okay, so now that I got the batteries in, I'm gonna assume that it's gonna work, but before we do that, let's take a closer look at the actual car itself. On the surface, it is completely white. It actually looks like it could be a pearlescent white as well. I feel like that would work really well, because like it has to be thinner plastic, so I think it's nice that they chose like a pearlescent white. So it's white, so it's easy for it to easy for us to be able to see the different colors, and it's pearlescent, so you can't really see the actual parts that are inside. So I think that's really smart on their part if that's why they did that. The entire bottom is completely black, though here's the front. Here's a little button that we're gonna push to change the colors here. We've got a completely clear windshield. The wheels are really nice. You can see that there's like all of the little compartments and stuff that are inside there. It is pretty much the same for every single wheel. It's really nice, and obviously they all spin. It's not remote controlled. I thought it would be remote controlled, but that is completely okay. I'm just so excited to have this. We do have 2 little side mirrors, and there's actually a sticker. Can't really see that, but there's a little sticker on both of these, so it looks like an actual mirror. Oh wow, it's quite nice actually. The inside of the car, it's completely plastic, but you can see that there's like bits of details there. The chairs look like, guys, I'm not good with car lingo, okay, but it looks like fancy cars. This is what the seat looks like. We've got a little headrest, and then we've got like the little quilted design on the actual seat, and then it's just lines on the bottom here. The seat belts are also completely black, and you can see here that this is the wheel. It turns, but it doesn't actually turn anything really. But yeah, and then there are little details in here as well. You can see that there's the pernal in the middle. There's little meters and stuff, but they're all completely black. They're not painted in any special way, unfortunately. Would love to have another car with like an RC in it, or sorry, with a radio in it, kind of like the Bratz one, but this does change color, so that is enough. We've got little gold accents on the actual seat belts and also the middle of the wheel here. Front is gray, and it says rainbow. It's not completely gray. I mean, like all of the little thingies and things are gray. And then the back, it says a rainbow on the hood, and then it says a rainbow on the bumper. Is that what that's called? And we have 2 little red lights here. And yeah, that's basically the car. Let's find out and see if it works. What we're gonna do is we're going to, is it switched on? No, we're gonna switch it on. Oh my god, I saw a spark. So basically what you need to do is press the button, and every time you press the button it changes color, or there's like that one effect where it goes like rah, 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 rah. And I don't know how I feel about that one, so we're gonna try to skip that one. But oh my god, red, oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Red, yellow, or orange, oh, here's yellow. Oh my god, this is what it looks like. Like you can see the little lamps and stuff that are inside to make this light up. Green. Actually, green looks really good. I don't know. This looks really nice. Blue. My favorite color. There should be purple, yes. So here is our violet. That is just so cool. That's what the front of it looks like. That's what the back of it looks like. And then I guess if I press it again, it'll do like that freaky. Oh no, cool. So it's like a softer, a smooth transitioning one. And this last one, oh, it's back to red. So it looks like there's just, cause I swear there was one where it like went like really crazy, you know? Let me try this again. Yeah, so it's like a really smooth transition type of thing. Cause I remember when watching like other people's videos, like their cars would like do like some rave shit, and like I wasn't really the vibe. And like honestly, I was like kind of scared that mine would do that too. Oh, I guess it's cause I went on for too long. But yeah. That's really interesting. I don't know why mine doesn't do that like freaky rave thing, but I'm happy that it doesn't. There you go. That's so nice. This is so much nicer than that rave thing. I'm so happy. Okay, we need to put some dolls in here. Okay, guys. So I just put Avery and Bella in the car. Oh my god, this is so much fun. I also want to address the fact that I have never had like a doll car before, so this is my first time playing with a doll car, and I'm having so much fun right now. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. That is so cool. That is so cool. I just want to like roll this down. Here, let me turn off the lights. Look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so much fun. I love it. I love it so much. I love it. I'm going to my friend's house tonight, and I am going to be bringing this with me. Oh, I totally forgot to mention. It does fit the dolls even with their shoes on. So that's very nice to know, because I watched a couple of reviews on the Dream Ella car, and you can't even put them in without their shoes on. Or you can't even put them in with their shoes on. So that was like something I was like kind of afraid of, because I've never had a car before. I don't know if you're supposed to take their shoes off. But yes, here is what they look like inside the car. They look so comfy, and it fits them like perfect. I really want to put Skylar in here though, particularly because she has like really thick boots. Her and Poppy, I want to make sure that they fit in here as well. You know what? Let's do that right now. I put both Skylar and Emmy in the car with their shoes on, and Emmy was able to go in pretty fine, but poor Skylar, her boots were like pretty big, so I just had to turn her legs to the side. And I don't know if you could like see that, but yeah, I just had to turn her legs to the side a bit and see where her joints are. And then that was like the best way for me to get her in there. Ooh, I want to see what it looks like with River Kendall in here. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so I was playing around a little bit with it, and River Kendall does just fit. So I can tell that I can feel that his feet are like really squeezed in here, but he does fit, and he's sitting down pretty comfortably. He even has the little seatbelt over his shoulder. So that's really nice to see. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm like so happy right now. Like, I'm just so thankful that I have friends, family, my amazing boyfriend who like is so supportive of this hobby that I really liked and I really wanted. So I'm really happy about it. Thank you, Alex. You know what? I think that concludes all of my birthday stuff. So I'm really happy that you guys came along with me while I opened all of the presents that I got for my birthday. I just want to end this by saying thank you for these amazing presents. I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm so happy that I'm just so thankful. I'm just so thankful. Like, I'm just so happy. All right, y'all. So that is everything for this video, and that is all for this like birthday series that was like kind of going on. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Hit me up on Insta at ATLANTIX.jpg. Hit me up on TikTok at ATLANTIX.mov. Let me know what you all think about the car. Let me know what y'all think about this video, and I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye.